Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to block cookies for sites in Microsoft Edge on iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first that you have to do, you have to open your Microsoft Edge on your phone. I'm gonna open it right now. Then in this page, select the menu, which is the three dots icon at the bottom here. And after that, go ahead to the settings option. Now, pick the first option, which is privacy and security. Open it. After that, in this page, tap on the cookies option. And yeah, it will be a view option, which is block all cookies, block only third-party cookies, and don't block cookies. If you want to allow to block cookies for sites, just tap on the block all cookies here. And yeah, it will be a pop-up. Now tap on the block all with the red color here. I'm gonna tap on it. And yeah, it will automatically save. You can see it again. I'm gonna go to the settings again and privacy and security. And yeah, as you can see here in the cookies option, you will see block all cookies. So just it guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one and good luck.